The 9th death anniversary of Sapam Robinhood was held at Awajing in Imphal East District today, with people offering tributes to the Lumjing Maira at his resting site. Sapam Robinhood was killed in police firing on July 8, 2015 during a movement demanding implementation of inner line permit system in Manipur. Family members, committee members, CSOs, students and others paid floral tributes. Speaking on the sideline of the observance, JCILPS convener Thiam Sarachandra said that despite inner line permit system being implemented in Manipur, it doesn't have much provisions to protect the indigenous people. The state cabinet has adopted ILPS following the Section 2 of Eastern Bengal Frontier Regulation Act. JCILPS have been demanding the government to adopt 1951 as the base year to determine indigenous people. However, government agreed on making 1961 as the base year through a cabinet decision. Although state cabinet has adopted Manipur Population Commission, it is yet to implement fully. He urged the government to appoint required experts to proceed the works of the commission and to update NRC so as to make safeguard the indigenous community. He also appealed to both the center and state government to restore normalcy in the state.
Lamdam masida leiriba furup community singsigi sakmai yengba haigedra sarkar sina yengbadagi mapung phana chana kangro guideline si semba ngamde haibiyai kogi ILP system ge guideline sembada maruoina 1951 na bejar oigedabani haina hanadagi hauna lauduna lakpani adubu hairibasi tawidana kogi cabinet na haibitare matamduda 1961 na bejar oiraga sengibani loina na uji mokoina semle hariba population commission sisu mapung phaba oidri haibitare maruoina expert sing adegi madugi awatpa kogi thabak tawgedaba miyam du hapiraga masi mapung phana thabak tawhanbiu haiba sisu koina thamjari loina koi mangda taduna leiriba NRC gi update sisu center dagi India government dagi ayaba lobiraga yamna chunamak masisu thabak haunaba packet view haina su haijari
NRC amadi JCILPS na talakliba ILP system masi mapung phana chalhanabagi damakta masi chatriba phawba demand asi phangdriba phawba tankhini haibagi achetpa thajabaduda akoi maitai pangal jati singsu arepadu aina represent tawjaraga thamjari loinina hojik NRC chatnare haina government na adum lawba practical oidaba theory to oiba 1951 dugi mahuta 1961 unki basa mase akoina condemn tawduna ngasi phawba laklibani Manipur government na cabinet decision je handokpiraga 1951 chida chatna hanbiu amuk hanna ri pham tawbiu haidana demand che mapung phana phangan biu theory da lawbiganu practical oina onthokpiu